Your Microsoft 365 account is under siege, and it's not just about weak passwords anymore. A newly discovered phishing kit is outsmarting even the most secure multi-factor authentication MFA systems, putting businesses across North America, Europe, and beyond at risk. Meet Salty 2FA, a phishing-as-a-service PhaaS platform that's as sophisticated as it is dangerous. But here's where it gets controversial. While MFA has long been hailed as the gold standard for cybersecurity, Salty 2FA proves that even this defense isn't foolproof. Should we rethink our reliance on MFA, or is this just another reason to double down on user education? Let's dive in. Researchers at AnyRun have uncovered how Salty 2FA is being used to target industries ranging from finance to metallurgy, with attackers disguising their schemes as innocent emails about billing statements, payroll updates, or bid invitations. What makes this kit particularly alarming is its ability to intercept and process advanced 2FA methods, not just basic credentials. It's like a digital chameleon, blending into the infrastructure and scaling its attacks with precision. And this is the part most people miss. Salty 2FA isn't just a one-off threat. It's evolving. Its developers are actively refining the platform, making it harder to detect and stop. The timeline is equally concerning. While Salty 2FA gained traction in June 2025, early versions may have been lurking as far back as March or April. Confirmed attacks have been ongoing since late July, with dozens of new cases emerging daily. This isn't a hypothetical risk. It's happening right now, and organizations worldwide need to be on high alert. So, what can you do? AI-powered security awareness training is no longer optional. It's essential. Platforms like KnowBe4's HRM Plus are equipping over 70,000 organizations globally to combat social engineering attacks by empowering employees to make smarter security decisions. But here's the question. Is training enough, or do we need a fundamental shift in how we approach authentication? Share your thoughts in the comments. This is a debate we can't afford to ignore.